In this very quick and easy video guide, we're going to see how to download and install Google Chrome inside your smartphone. Now, this is a really simple guide for real beginners, so if you are already an expert, you can skip this guide and check our other video guides on JBD2. Now, the first thing we need to do here is to locate the Play Store. And now we can click on this icon to open the Play Store. Here is where we're going to download Google Chrome. Now, if you don't find the Play Store, you can scroll from the bottom to the top here with your finger to open up all the different applications like that. And from here, you can search for the Play Store. You can find the icon. You can drag and drop this in your desktop by clicking and dragging. Okay, so once you have located your Play Store app, just click there and search for Google Chrome. And there you go. Now I already downloaded and installed it, but you should see here download and install. And when you finish, you're gonna see here open. Now you can see there are many similar browser or application like DuckDuckGo or Opera or Firefox. So you can scroll down and check other similar application. But if you're looking for Google Chrome, that's how you need to do it. Now you can see here I've already installed it, and when you have a Google account, then you can also synchronize all the settings that you have in your Google Chrome, for example, for desktop or for laptop or for any device. You can synchronize everything together if you're using one single Google account. Let's say the mail that you're using, it's probably your Google account. So if you synchronize everything, you're gonna find the all your data and everything you do, basically your favorite websites and so on, also here in the smartphone app. So this will be all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you can leave other suggestions for other users, or if you want, you can also ask questions in the comments. Also, please support us by subscribing and by joining the channel. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.